Today, we will discuss the types of numbers. Types of numbers are most useful in group theory and ring theory. Now, we have to define what are natural numbers. The numbers that are used for counting the objects, things, etc. are called natural numbers. Symbolically, the set of these numbers are denoted by n. Hence, n is equal to set of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So, for example, if we take 100, 100 is also natural number. 1000, 1000 is also natural number. All numbers that are used for counting are natural numbers. Now, next, whole numbers. By including 0 to the set of natural numbers, we get the whole numbers. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. These are all whole numbers. Hence, whole numbers W is equal to set of singleton 0 union set of natural numbers n. That is W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Now, integers. An integer includes natural numbers, 0, and negative natural numbers. Symbolically, set of integers is denoted by z, as z is equal to here 0, 1, 2, 3. This is positive side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. This is negative side. These numbers are all negative integers. This is called 0. These are all positive integers. Set of positive integers is denoted by z plus, and set of negative integers is denoted by z minus. As z plus is set of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, and z minus is set of numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. Integers can be ordered by being placed on a number line. We can plot integers on a number line as shown in the figure. Here, we can plot all integers on this number line. Number to the right is greater than the number to the left on a number line. Here, for example, if we take these two numbers, minus 1 is right to the minus 2. So that minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Same way, if you take these two numbers, the number 2 is right to the number 1, and hence 2 is greater than 1. So here, minus 2 is greater than minus 4, 0 is greater than minus 1, 4 is greater than 3. Numbers right to the 0 are positive integers, that is z plus, set of z plus, and numbers left to the 0 are negative integers on number line. Rational numbers. Rational numbers of the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Here q may be 1. Here any number of the form p by q can be treated as rational number. For example, 2 by 3 minus 1 by 22, 22 by 7, 24 minus 74. These are all rational numbers. Here we have observed that q may be 1, so that every integer is a rational number. Every integer is a rational number. For example, 22 minus 14, 15 are integers. Also, those are all rational numbers. Set of rational numbers is denoted by the notation capital Q. Here, rational numbers are classified broadly in two categories: terminating decimals, non-terminating recurring decimals. If you take 3 by 4, that is equal to 0.75. Here we observe that after the decimal point, digits are ended, so that this is terminating decimal. In the same way, 0.2, which is also terminating decimal. If we consider 1 by 3, that is equal to 0.333 and so on. Here after the decimal, digits are not ended, and hence it is non-terminating decimal. Also, it is recurring decimal, since after the decimal, digits are repeated following certain pattern. Here also, for 22 by 7, after the decimal, digits are non-terminating and recurring, because here we observe that 142857, 142857. Here digits are not ended and also recurring following certain pattern, so that this is also non-terminating recurring decimal. So that we can broadly categorize rational numbers as terminating decimals and non-terminating decimals. Rational numbers. A number which cannot be written as a ratio of an integer and non-zero integer is called irrational number. That is, an irrational number cannot be expressed as p by q, where p and q are integers and q is non-zero. Okay. If any number can be expressed of the form p by q, where p and q are integers, then it is rational number. If any number cannot be expressed as p by q, where p and q are integers, that number is called irrational number. Also, numbers having no perfect square root are all irrational numbers. For example, root 2, root 3. These are all irrational numbers. Irrational numbers have decimal expansions that are neither terminated nor become periodic. For example, root 2 is equal to 1.41421356 and so on. We observe that after the decimal, digits are not ended. Also, digits are not repeated, and hence this number is non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. One more famous example for irrational number is This is the most famous rational number in mathematics. The popular approximation is 22/7, which is close but not accurate to pi. The value of pi in decimal form is 3.14159265358 and so on. Here also we observe that after the decimal point, digits are not ended and not repeated following certain pattern. So that pi is called a rational number.